Okay, for the last repair on today, I have this DVD headrest monitor from Hyundai Santa Fe. It is like this. You insert the DVD here, and this is for the kids maybe. This unit stopped working if I press the power button, and we have no image. We have here hello and no image. The unit power up. I can see some LEDs lighting here, and no image. So here it is, the motherboard. I inspected before and I saw that this trace looks burned or broken, I don't know. I want to grind it to see if there's copper left. Let's see. So it's a broken circuit, and that's a through hole that goes on the back of the board. I should remove that board. So it's a little bit hard to get that board out because of some glue. The ribbon cables are glued to the board, and I don't want to damage them. See? There are a lot of ribbon cables that are glued, but I can lift the board a bit. I can lift it, and I saw that this trace is connected to another trace from the back of the board, and I'm gonna try to fit a wire here and then solder it where the trace should be connected. So I soldered the wire on the back of the board on the related trace, and now I need to solder it here. Maybe I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it like that. let's keep it pressed. And for now we should be good. Okay, let's move on. Wow, we have another corrosion on the same trace. Let's grind it to see. So this one may be still good. Yes, it's still good. I'm gonna mask it later. I'm gonna mask this repair. Okay, I'm gonna mask this and this later. Let's continue. I see this component looking corroded. This quartz is looking corroded as well. I'm not gonna replace this quartz because I have the car and I'm gonna test it, and maybe then if this display won't work, I'm gonna replace those components. And we have another trace here that looks very corroded. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna run a wire from this trace right here after I grind it, and to the back of the board where should be related or connected. Okay, I measure the trace from under the board and it is going here. So basically I have to run a wire from here to here. Let's grind this trace. I want to see if it's really broken, and yes, it is. We no longer have copper on this zone. This should be enough. Alright, after the repair I have to test it. Right before the repair I have just a message here like hello when I power the unit, but no backlight and no image on the screen. Let's test it. Let's plug the power unit, the power line. Okay. Press the power. It says hello and image. We have image on the screen and it's done. The repair is done. Nice. I'm gonna assemble this unit, and that's it for this video. Thank you, and let's work on something else.